Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today, the question everybody is asking, why sisters, not twins? We're talking about eyebrows today. I'm going to have a model here to show you guys some things, but I'm really excited. We're going to go through a couple of different products and techniques. So let's go. All right, so to talk about product, there's lots of different things that we can choose from nowadays. I would say that most people I know, the obsession with brows really came in 2017 when the pomades were really big, and no problem with that because we love a good arched filled girl. So nowadays, though, I would definitely say the leaning is more towards pencils, and I have some of the best ones. I might have a problem. But I also do brows all day, every day. So there's quite a few options. This is a brow mascara from Urban Decay, which I really love. This is a pencil and a pen. It's double-sided. This one's a brow wax, which has probably become my favorite as far as my the final step hold game goes. I also Benefit also has a brow wax slash mascara, and then these are my pencils. Oh, this one's a pen. So this is the newest Mighty Fine brow pen. That one has triple prongs and gives you a really cool brow stroke look. And then my OG, my favorite, the Precisely My brow pencil. I love this guy. He's a thinner pencil. This is like the teeniest one. This is our detailer where you can just do individual brow strokes. And this one's the Gimme Brow Volumizing. That's actually a sharpening pencil. Gives more of a powdered pencil look. So those are just some of them that I like. Today we're going to use a powder. I asked Ashley to bring her favorite, or I guess not her favorite, but it's definitely what she's using right now. So we're going to brow map her and then show using her product, how to use it. Okay, everybody, this is my beautiful sister Ashley. Before we start, we'll do a couple of questions just so you guys get to know her a little bit. Ashley has 4 children. Ashley, what's your favorite thing about being a mom?
That is a good question. I think just watching my children grow and their different personalities and the things that they're interested in.
Okay. What is your favorite thing to do in your free time?
Pamper myself.
Examples?
Getting my nails done, getting my hair done, going and seeing you, and getting my eyebrows done. And then I love going out with my girlfriends to lunch and gossiping.
Oh, what's the newest venture you've taken on in your life? Tell us about that.
Yes. So I've had the privilege and opportunity of being an at-home mom for the last 8 years, and I absolutely love it. But now that all 4 kids are in school full-time, I've kind of been like, what am I into? What can I do kind of for myself and contribute to our home and family financially, and something that I enjoy for myself. And I am very impulsive. And I heard about lip blushing and I jumped right on that train and have started doing that. So
Yep, she did my lip liner. We're gonna do a retouch soon, but even with how it's faded, I've really loved it. And she's great. She's got a great touch. I'm a big baby, and she was really great at calming me down, so we love that. Okay, so we are going to go into the next section, which is the brow mapping. All right, brow mapping. What is it? Brow mapping was a technique that has been used at Benefit bars for years. The idea behind it is us being able to show you the different points on your face that help shape your brow for the perfect brow. According to your face shape and your eye shape. So this is how we're going to do this. I am going to use this pencil, and using her nose as an anchor, I'm going to go straight up to where her eye starts, and I'm going to make a small line. Then at the 45-degree angle where her eye, still using the nose as an anchor, that is where the high point of her arch should be. And then here to the end of her eye is where it ends. So now I like to create, I don't know, this is just like to begin and kind of show you. But essentially I'm going to place dots right underneath where those marks have been made, and we're going to connect the dots. A lot of people don't know, but with a pencil like this, you don't usually go into where the brow hair is at. You're going to actually follow the bottom of the brow line, and then short strokes make a straighter line, and you're just going to connect the dots. Then we parallel here on the top, there, and down. Now it may look like it's a little bit wide for her, but if you brush up Ashley's brow hair, it's actually perfect. She doesn't actually, her brow hair should just lay slightly to the side, but she has a nice full brow. And when she's laminated, it's very apparent. We love lamination, don't we, Ashley?
Yes.
It's a game changer. Okay, so maybe turn your head this way. So as you can see, there's where her brow shape should be. And for anybody who's struggling with this, you can use this as a technique simply to, like, that's just a way for you to know where your brow should be. You can use that as a starting point in your morning routine. And then I would just, if you want, and you're using like a pencil like this, then you would just remove the lines and then you'd fill that in. And it's a perfect brow shape. You do it on the same side, on the other side, and you're going to get closer to twins than sisters, and definitely not distant cousins. The great equalizer in any brow shape is product. Everybody's brows grow differently. Some grow more on the bottom and on one side, and more on the top on the other side. So it really just depends which those brows are. Pick your favorite and make her sister look like her. Okay, I'm gonna fill her brows in using her product now, and okay, so there you guys have it. Ashley, thanks so much for coming. I'm really happy that you were able to. Yeah, so obviously when I do the brows, I can see the brow mapping. It's there. It's easy for me to like spot on look at. But please feel free to try this method at home. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. I also would love to have you guys tag me in anything online for like after you've tried this. Like go ahead and put it on your Instagram, your Facebook, whatever. Tag me. I would just love to see it. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.